In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Copilot for Finance preview in Microsoft Excel for macOS. Before we get started, make sure you have an active Microsoft 365 work or school subscription and that your account includes the administrator permissions needed for the setup. That part is important because if your account doesn't have the right access level, the add-in may not install properly or the preview features may not activate when you sign in. Once that's confirmed, open Microsoft Excel on your Mac. Before moving forward, take a moment to make sure Excel is updated to the latest version. Running the most current version helps avoid compatibility issues and ensures you can see the newest features and add-in options exactly where they should be. After Excel is open and up to date, click on the Home tab in the top ribbon menu. This is where you'll find the tools you need to begin adding Copilot for Finance to Excel. Now, look toward the right side of the ribbon and click Add-ins. From there, choose Get Add-ins. This opens the Office Add-ins store where you can search for and install available tools directly into Excel. In the store search bar, type Microsoft Copilot for Finance and then press Enter. Give the results a moment to load and then look for Microsoft Copilot for Finance in the search results. When you find it, click the Add button next to it. At this point, Excel may display permission terms or installation details. Read through that information carefully so you understand what the add-in requires in order to function. When you're ready, click Continue to complete the installation. Depending on your system or organization settings, this may take a few moments. Once the installation finishes, return to your Excel window and look for the new Copilot for Finance icon on the ribbon. Click that icon to open the side panel. This panel is where you'll interact with the preview features and begin using the tool inside your workbook. To fully activate the preview, sign in using your work or school account credentials. Be sure to use the same eligible account associated with your Microsoft 365 subscription, since using the correct account is essential for access. After signing in, the Copilot for Finance preview should be ready to use. You're now set to streamline financial data analysis in Excel on your Mac with the help of Copilot.